Welcome. I'm Archie Horatio Hughes III, and I'm going to share some of my love for stone lithography with you today. Stone lithography is a planographic printmaking process in which a design is drawn onto a flat stone and affixed by means of a chemical reaction. Stone lithography is a labor-intensive process with many steps, but the results are magnificent. Today, we're going to have a quick look at the steps involved in this process. Step 1. Preparing the stone. The stone is washed and ground using a levigator or another stone to achieve a uniform surface. Grinding starts with coarser grits and progresses to finer ones, with careful monitoring of water and abrasive proportions to avoid scratches. Patterns like figure 8 or rows are used to ensure even grinding. Step 2. Drawing. The stone's edges are protected with gum arabic. A rectangle for the drawing is marked and lithographic crayon is used for creating the image. The drawing should be mirrored, especially for text or portraits, and multiple layers of crayon are preferred over pressing hard. Step 3. Rosin and talc. Rosin and talc are applied to the drawing to protect it from the corrosive etching solution. Rosin serves as the main acid resist, while talc helps the gum and etch solutions spread evenly. Step 4. Etching the stone. The stone is etched using an acid solution to create a reaction with the stone's carbonates. The solution is applied evenly, ensuring a gentle frothing. The etch is left on for a few minutes and then dried into a thin, even coating. Step 5. The washout. After etching, the drawing's fatty components become part of the stone. The original drawing materials are removed using a solvent like turpentine, leaving the image ready to receive ink. Step 6. Asphalt. Liquid asphaltum is applied to the image to enhance ink receptivity, especially in areas with heavy grease deposits. It creates a tacky film that aids in evenly attracting ink during the roll-up process. Step 7. The roll-up! In the roll-up, ink is applied to the stone with the aim of replicating the original drawing's tonalities. The inking process involves careful assessment of ink receptivity, adjusting rolling speed and pressure accordingly. After the image is fully inked, minor corrections are made, followed by a second etch to complete the desensitization process. That's all for now. I'm Archie Horatio Hughes III, signing off for you. Excellent. And now I covet to run our stone through the press, creating a stone lithography print. Brava!